In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a pop-up in Klaviyo for your Shopify store. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Website. From there, choose Sign Up Forms. This is where Klaviyo keeps all of your on-site forms, including pop-ups, flyouts, and embedded forms. So it is the right place to begin when you want to capture emails from Shopify visitors. Next, go to the top right corner and click Create Form. Klaviyo will open the template library, where you can pick a starting design instead of building from scratch. Select a template that fits your goal. For example, you can choose a template like Collect Emails if you want a simple email capture pop-up that is quick for shoppers to complete. After you select your template, you will configure the basics. First, name your form. This name is just for internal organization, so use something descriptive that you will recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple versions for different campaigns. Then, choose the list where new subscribers will be added. This is important because it controls where the captured emails go in your Klaviyo account, and it affects which flows and campaigns those subscribers can receive. Pick the list you use for general email signups, such as your newsletter list. When those basics are set, click Create Form to enter the editor. Inside the editor, take a moment to align the design with your brand. Use the Styles section to adjust colors, fonts, and overall look so the pop-up matches your Shopify storefront. Keeping the styling consistent helps the form feel native to your site and builds trust with shoppers. Now set when and how the form appears. Click Targeting and Behaviors. Here you can choose triggers like exit intent, or you can set a time delay, such as showing the pop-up after 5 seconds. These settings control the shopper experience, so keep them intentional and easy on the visitor. Finally, review everything quickly, then click Publish in the top right. Publishing makes the form live on your site, so your pop-up will begin displaying based on the targeting rules you set. And that covers everything you need to know.